Virtuous Mountain kitchen this time. Virtuous Mountain woman, this is my kitchen, and I have some amazing surprise for my friend who's been empty the house of a loved one who's passed on, and bequeathed this amazing Copeland Spode rose Briar to me. It's astounding the prices of these, what they resell for. So this is a great gift for this kitchen. I'm really pleased. I'm emptying so much of it, and then when I empty it, I'll be categorizing, and you see she's giving me boxes and boxes of it. There's just boxes and boxes. I'll just put that over there. That should be out of the way. And then there's another box here. They go on and on. Is that showing me? Yeah? Mm-hmm. On and on. It's crazy. There's so much of it. So, while I unbox this, it's amazing. The great thing is that I actually glorious unboxing of great tableware given to me by a really good friend who relative has passed away, and they don't want this stuff, but I not just only want them, I love them. I reuse them all the time. I'm finding a space in my kitchen for this great, beautiful Briar Rose Copeland Spode tableware. It's amazing. I'm just going to give you a look at that, and the next thing I'm going to be getting the hot kettle with hot water and boiling water, begin to wash them, and I'll show you the space I'm going to put them into. It's a find for me. I just love it. Really works in my kitchen. I'm turning this upside down so we can have a look at this Copeland Spode England Rose Briar 2784640, and then that is same 2789635. I'm interested in this here. There's a stamp right into it there. Can't quite make out what it says. Let's have a look at that one. That's a sugar bowl.
Looks older, doesn't it?
They're very older. Let's have a look at it, Chris. Let's bring that closer to the camera. That's the sugar bowl. Turn it over. Turn it the other way around, please. So I can read it when you read it. Yeah, so it's readable from that. It's an old sugar bowl. It says Copeland Spode, England. It's very hard to read what it says. Something 8. I think it talks about, it's really about how many of these were made. In hot soapy water. Just come in and can have a look into the sink. So hot soapy water, and the water might be a bit dirty because I think they've been in storage. Even if they're washed, they've got to be rinsed again. And put in the sink. There's a lot of it. So that's it. It's a really amazing find. I'm really loving it. This is china that I'll be using in the kitchen on a daily basis, and also for when friends come we do a lot of entertaining. So this is great. So great.